So what you can do with Adobe Spark is work with libraries as well. So if you were to go to libraries, you'll find the exact libraries that you made with Adobe Creative Cloud softwares. So, but unfortunately, none of them is supported over here on the Spark. So I'm just going to create a library right here and type in TutorTube Spark right over here. So that is the library. And I'll be able to access this library in other Adobe applications as well. So it says hang tight, it's creating a library for me just like that. So there you go, the library is being created. So here it says keep your assets in hand, quickly build collection of assets and access them on your post projects. All right. So I'm just going to go around here right here, and you can also give access to people right here, and then you can create your band right there. Okay. So I'm just going to add in some assets right here. So let me just go around onto my Dropbox and then bring out, let's say this 2D character right here. I can add in more assets over here. So I'm going to go to images and then bring in some of these images right here, just like that. And all of them will be uploaded just like that, as you can see. So this one is uploaded, but this one you can see that it is still being uploaded right there. So depending on your internet connection speed, all of them will be uploaded out just like that. So now all of them has been uploaded in my case. So I'm just going to go around, create a new, let's say, for example, an Instagram post just like that. And let's see how we can access our library items. So over here, I can simply go to library. And then from the library, I'll be able to access this out. So you can see right here on the library. So let me just click on the library right here. Let me just go back right here. Okay. So no, I need to go on to my library right here, just like that. And on my libraries, you can see right here that I can access the TutorTube Spark. I can access my other libraries as well, but they are not supported. So let me just go onto the TutorTube Spark, where I'll be able to select my uploaded photos. So I can just select this out right here, and I can move freely, and you can see that I can bring this out as any other object right here. So I can simply go onto libraries right here. So once I go to libraries, so let me just go around right here on the libraries, and then once I go to the library, TutorTube Spark library right here, I can just bring this out right here, just like that. Just click it, and I'm going to pin this to the background. And I can see right here that I got my library items just like that. And that is how you can utilize libraries inside of Adobe Spark. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.